Hello, Mr. Grayson. How are you doing today? Are you having a good time playing? Tell Mommy how much fun. Tell her how much fun. Oh, that much fun. Excuse you. Excuse you. Hello. Hello. And the hiccups now too. Yeah? Can you say hello? Say hello. Oh, shaky, shaky. What's going on? You got a big day planned? Got up, had some breakfast, had a nap, had some lunch, had another nap. Now we're gonna play a little bit. And then, probably another nap. Maybe after some second lunch. And it looks like we might need a new diaper too, huh? What do you think? Just being a messy kind of guy today. In your fancy suit. Yeah. What? What's going on? Pretty cute. Do you want to lose the hood? Is that what you want? Lose the hood? Let's check out the hair. Whoa! Someone's got some messy hair. It's hard to keep your hair nice when you keep throwing up into it. We wash it and wash it and wash it and you just keep spitting up. Can you make some kissy faces? Where's your tongue? Show Mommy your tongue. Show me. Where's your tongue? Let me see it. Where's your tongue? Not today, hey? No? You got a story? You want to tell me something? I know what story you're telling me. Yes, I do. Yes, I do know. You keep talking, it's okay. Nine and a half weeks old. You look a little concerned, Grayson. I have lunch for you. Second lunch. Don't you worry. Should we go make you your lunch? What kind of faces are you making? You dancing? Yeah. All right, time for lunch then. Say goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good job.